We're taking a look at this Puma 26 RLS travel trailer, rear living floor plan, 31 feet 1 inch, just over 6,500 pounds dry weight. You're gonna have a huge open living space here. We'll take a quick look around and get into all the details. You have theater reclining seats from the Thomas Paine collection, USB ports over there as well, and overhead storage. So lots of extra space here in your living area. For your food, you have an 11 cubic foot 12 volt fridge with pantry located right next to here, so you have huge space up top as well as down below. A little bit of a carpeted slide, but not too much carpet, which a lot of people like no carpet slides. Then you have your entertainment section here, so fireplace and furnace down below. A little bit of storage next to that with your radio control right up top. Built-in speakers there. Mantle space here, you can add a console. You can even use this to put appliances up here. You have outlets there. And then you have your TV mount and hookups right up top here, which is on that little arm where you can maneuver it however you want. Microwave sitting right here. And then you got 3-burner cooktop and glass cover down below. Oven beneath that. Tons of drawer space here beneath your sink. And then you got a nice big stainless steel sink with a rolling drying tray and cutting board, and this really awesome hose, which is going to make it really convenient to do your dishes. And then you have this open counter space here. You do have this little backsplash back here, which it is a textured backsplash, so it's not just a sticker. And then you have overhead cabinet storage up top. You do have a lot of room here in your bathroom, and you can access your bedroom from here as well, vice versa. Walk right through. Then you have this nice big sit down shower here, sliding doors. Got that seated area below, and then you have this cool textured design going on here. Gray color adds a little bit of style to your shower, and then you have a skylight overhead, towel hook right up top here, and then you have linen and toiletry storage, so huge shelf space in here, lots of open storage. And then behind me you're going to have your sink. Toilet paper can go right there, which is a little bit far from here, so if you wanted to, you can just add a freestanding one and remove that and just open up that storage area. Then you got your medicine cabinet up top, triangular shelves in here, place for your soap and your toothbrushes, and that'll lead us into your bedroom where you have a queen size bed. Storage underneath, you're going to have overhead cabinet storage here, hanging closet storage on both sides, and then you have these nice big bedside tables with the extension that goes up, outlets and USB ports up top as well. And then you have your TV mount right up here, and you also have a second entrance directly into your bedroom, so really convenient. Let's take a look at the outside.